Locking your credit is a useful security feature that prevents unauthorized access to your credit reports. While Credit Karma doesn't directly offer the ability to lock or freeze your credit, they provide access to your credit information through TransUnion and Equifax, and you can lock your credit with these bureaus. Here's how you can do it. Log into Credit Karma. Open the Credit Karma app or visit their website. Log in with your username and password. Access your credit reports. After logging in, navigate to the Credit Reports section to view the details of your TransUnion and Equifax reports. Lock your credit with TransUnion. In Credit Karma, you can go to TransUnion's page, where you will see an option to lock or unlock your credit. Click on Lock to prevent anyone from accessing your credit without your authorization. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the process. Lock your credit with Equifax. Similarly, visit Equifax's website. Navigate to the Credit Report and Security Freeze section and select Lock your credit. You may need to create an account with Equifax if you don't have one already. Confirm the lock. After following the prompts, your credit will be locked. It will receive a confirmation, and your credit will be protected.